Hi students, today's class is method of variation of parameters. How to solve the equation d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy is equal to r by the method of variation of parameters. To solve this equation, there is a procedure. What is that procedure? First point is arrange the given differential equation in standard form. Second point, let y is equal to c1u plus c2b be the complementary function. Third, let y is equal to au plus bv be the particular integral, where a is equal to minus integral vr divided by u into dv by dx minus v into du by dx into dx, and b equal to integral ur divided by u into dv by dx minus v into du by dx into dx. Finally, fourth point, general solution, y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Solve d square plus a square into y equal to cos ax by the method of variation of parameters. Given equation is d square plus a square into y equal to cos ax. Here r is equal to cos ax. Auxiliary equation is d square plus a square is equal to 0. D square is equal to minus a square. D is equal to plus or minus root of minus a square. D is equal to plus or minus ai. This we can write d is equal to 0 plus or minus ai. So how to write the complementary function? Complementary function is equal to c1 into cos ax plus c2 into sin ax. This is complementary function. How to find the particular integral? To find the particular integral, let pi is equal to, pi means particular integral, equal to a cos ax plus b sin ax. So here, what is u? U cos ax, v sin ax. Now, du by dx is equal to du by dx. So differentiate the u with x. Du by dx means minus a sin ax. dv by dx, dv by dx of v means sin ax is equal to a into cos ax. U into dv by dx minus v into du by dx is equal to, u means what is u? Cos ax. dv by dx vachi a cos ax minus v means sin ax. du by dx ante minus a sin ax. So a into cos square ax minus into minus plus a into sin square ax. So a common తీసుకుంటే a into cos square ax plus sin square ax. a into 1 is equal to a. Now, now find the value of a. So for what is a? A is equal to minus integral vr by u into dy by dx minus u into du by dx dx is equal to minus integral v ante means sin ax into r vachi cos ax. This value is a into dx is equal to minus 1 by a integral sin ax cos ax into dx. So this we can write multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So 2. So 2 can cancel means we can get the same value. So 2 into sin ax into cos ax dx. This is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a formula vastundi sin 2a. That's why 2 sin ax into cos ax we can write sin 2ax. So totally minus 1 by 2a integral sin 2ax into dx. This is equal to minus 1 by 2a integral of sin 2ax into dx minus cos 2ax by 2a. Then integrate చేస్తే minus cos 2ax by 2a. Minus into minus plus 1 2a into 2a 4a square 2a into 2a 4a square into cos 2ax. So a is equal to, this is a equal to 1 by 4a square into cos 2ax. Similarly, find b. b equal to integral u by u into dy by dx minus v into dy by dx in dx equal to integral u ante cos ax r ante cos ax divided by this total value is a into dx. So 1 by a into integral cos ax cos square ax into dx. 1 by a into, there is a formula cos square ax is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square ax వచ్చి 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x ఫార్ములా ఏమొస్తుంది నీకు 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 plus cos 2ax by 2 into dx. ఇప్పుడు 1 2 into a 2a. ఇప్పుడు ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేస్తే ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ 1 వచ్చి నీకు x వస్తుంది ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ cos 2ax ఏమొస్తుంది sin 2ax by 2a. sin 2ax by 2a. This is equal to x by 2a plus 1 by 4a square into sin 2ax. Particular integral formula ఏమన్నాము a into cos ax plus b into sin ax. Particular integral a into cos ax plus b sin ax. What is a? Substitute a value. What is a? 1 by 4a square into cos square 2ax cos ax plus b వచ్చి x by 2a plus 1 by 4a square sin 2ax into sin ax. 1 by 4a square cos, not this is not cos square 2x, cos 2ax into cos ax plus x by 2a multiply చేయండి sin ax తో x by 2a into sin ax plus 1 by 4a square into sin 2ax into sin ax. Now take 1 by 4a square common. 1 by 4a square common తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది cos 2ax cos ax plus sin 2ax sin ax plus x by 2a sin ax equal to 1 by 4a square. This is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. What is the formula? Cos of a minus b. So how to write? Cos of a means 2ax minus b means ax plus x by 2a into sin ax. That is equal to 1 by 4a square cos of 2ax minus ax ante ax cos ax plus x by 2a sin ax. This is particular integral. What is complementary function? Complementary function వచ్చి c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. General solution y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. What is complementary function? Cos ax plus c1 into cos ax plus c2 into sin ax plus 1 by 4a square cos ax plus x by 2a sin ax. This is the final answer for the given problem. D square plus ax into y is equal to cos ax. Answer is y is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax plus 1 by 4a square into cos ax plus x by 2a sin ax. Okay.